Hi guys, welcome to a short video about the question which smartwatch has the best call features, phone call features apart from Apple watches and Android Wear or Wear OS watches, and I think that's the one here. I've tested already a lot of such or similar smartwatches and most of them do not have any kind of call features, and if they have call features then they have usually not so good microphone, not so good speakers, and what's also a big disadvantage, you have to connect them like as a Bluetooth speaker, so everything what you do with microphone and speakers on your phone will be here. Everything will be played here, every time you use the microphone it will be recorded from here, and this is not what you want. So when you go to YouTube and play a video and you want to listen directly here on the smartphone or on your headphones or earbuds or so, it won't work. Every time it will play on your watch, and that's not good. This is not what we want. And with the Wear OS or Android Wear or the Apple Watch, it's much better. It doesn't need a separate Bluetooth connection, and so it's working much more convenient. And this is the first watch apart from Apple Watch and Android Wear watches which has also this feature. It's even hard to find in the listing when you go to Amazon and you are looking for the specs for this watch. It's a nice watch, it's beautiful, very convenient, very good. It has also this very modern watch band, can be replaced. Also really nice thing with a lot of other good features, and it's only $35, and this one has built in pretty much same call features as with like a very expensive Apple Watch or Android Wear watch, where you have to usually pay $300 or so. And I can show you how this works. Of course I can't make a phone call here, otherwise you would see my number or the other party's number, but I can show you how it works more or less. You go to the right side. If somebody calls you on this phone and you are connected, not Bluetooth, just connected here in the app, then you see when somebody is calling, you get a large green icon in the middle, which allows you to take the call, and then you can use the microphone and speaker from this watch, which are really, really good, the best microphones and speaker which I've ever seen in such a smartwatch apart from Android Wear or Apple Watch. But you have also the option like a red button which allows you to reject a call, and when you accept the call and you're talking, you're on the right side, you have the option to change the volume of your call. On the left side you have a speaker which you can put on mute, and you have even the option to switch to microphone and speaker back to your phone while you're talking here. Maybe you are in a location which is a little bit loud, and then maybe you think it would be nicer to continue the phone call on your phone. Then you can press this button here in the middle and it will switch then to the phone. And maybe you're going outside, it's a little bit more quiet, and then you can take everything back from the phone to the watch and keep talking with the microphone speaker on your watch. This is something which I've never seen before in this class of smartwatches. Again, about $35. So it's absolutely amazing. I've been blown away about this feature. I've been looking for a long time for something like that, and in the listing, when you look up the details on Amazon about this watch, they don't even mention that. It's absolutely incredible, but it's one of the best features I've ever seen in such a watch. So absolutely fantastic. So if you are looking for a watch which you don't have to charge every day, the battery can last up to 7 days depending on what you set, like automatic heart rate detection and the brightness or so. This can easily last for 7 days, so you have to charge it only once a week, and you can still make phone calls directly from here. This is a very unique constellation, I mean, with the Apple Watch and most of the Android Wear smartwatches. You have to charge them every day, and this one you have to charge only once a week, and you can still make phone calls. Absolutely amazing, very unique. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.